Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change language setting in Finch. Finch is a self-care and mental wellness app that helps you build healthy habits, reflect daily and care for your virtual pet companion. While Finch does not include a built-in language selector in your app, it automatically uses the language of your device. By changing your phone's language, you can use your Finch in the language you're most comfortable with, and in this guide you will learn step by step. So first what you can do is you can simply go to your settings, and when you reach into this setting interface, so over here you can simply search for your language and region. Once you select the language and region, open it. Over here in the top there's a preferred language, English. You can simply select to this add a language, and you'll select any of the language from the preferred version for you, and that is it. And if Finch follows your device's language, there is no separate in-app language option, and changing your device language is the simplest way to use Finch in your preferred language. This allows you to focus on self-care, reflection and daily routine. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.